Hi folks, Chris Kirk at WildBlue with a weekly video tip, and this one is around whether or not doing major engine maintenance, particularly by the factory, qualifies as an overhaul. See, I had this question pop up several times over the last several years when airplane engines had to go back to the factory because of some major airworthiness directive. Crankshaft ADs are one that come to mind. And sometimes I think in their overzealousness, the factory is telling owners that, the engine is going to be just as good as new or like new. And when they tell me about the airplane, they think that it has an overhaul. But when I go through the logs, there's nothing to show that it actually does have an overhaul. So here's the key. When you send your airplane or your engine in for work and you think it's going to be an overhaul, make sure that in the write-up itself, it says the word overhaul or a factory reman, which is typically just a factory overhaul. Just the words that the engine was repaired and components were replaced, unfortunately does not reset that TBO interval. And so sometimes you can be throwing a lot of good money after bad by not spending just a little bit more and having the entire overhaul signed off. So be careful on what you hear. Don't have happy ears there and hear what you want to hear. Make sure that in fact you are getting a full overhaul if that's what you think you're getting. Love to hear your opinion or your experiences on this. Chris at flywildblue.com or 888-773-4249.